Rồi.
Welcome, and happy holidays. There is something indescribable about this time of year, an everlasting magic that transforms every corner of our homes into a canvas of wonder and warmth. We all aspire to that picture-perfect, festive, and utterly charming look we see in glossy magazines. However, let's confront the reality that often haunts us. Achieving that dream interior can feel like a race against our credit card limits, often leaving us with more financial anxiety than genuine festive cheer. Retail stores try to convince us that true happiness lies in the latest shimmering ornaments and the most expensive wreaths. But we say no. We are here to completely dismantle that myth. The true essence of captivating Christmas decor lies not in the price, but in cleverness, creativity, and resourceful use of what we have. This year, let us collectively embrace the philosophy of budget-friendly brilliance. We will avoid impulsive purchases and focus instead on hacks that are smart, highly accessible, and deliver maximum visual impact, ensuring you decorate with immense style, while your wallet stays perfectly happy. 1. The power of foraged greenery, the scent of savings. Our first secret ingredient is the most accessible and the most luxurious, nature's free bounty. Forget those synthetic garlands that shed plastic needles. Grab a sturdy basket and venture outside. Gather crisp pine cones, vibrant sprays of holly, with those essential red berries, and aromatic eucalyptus branches. Place these generous cuttings in simple water-filled vessels, or tuck them artfully into your existing mantelpiece. The rich, deep texture and the genuine forest scent provide a sensory experience that no store-bought item can replicate, offering 5-star elegance for $0. 2. DIY citrus ornaments, the golden glow. Here is a hack that adds warmth, color, and a beautiful translucence: handmade dried citrus ornaments. This involves a simple process of thinly slicing oranges, lemons, or grapefruit, and baking them slowly until they take on the appearance of amber glass. When you hang these luminous slices on your tree, or string them on twine across a window, the light filters through, casting an exquisite golden-orange glow, a touch of old-world charm that looks incredibly sophisticated and costs mere pennies. Three. Repurpose glass jars and bottles, luminous vessels. Time to look at your glass recycling bin as a gold mine. Any clean jar, old pickle bottle, or mason jar can be instantly transformed. Our trick: fill them partially with Epsom salt to create a snowdrift effect. Then, nestle in a simple candle or a strand of warm LED fairy lights. Grouping these repurposed, softly glowing vessels together creates an entire light installation on a mantelpiece or a side table, a budget-friendly way to achieve ambient lighting perfection. 4. Upgrade your existing ornament collection, the cohesive facelift. We all have that bin of mismatched, inherited, or frankly, tired ornaments. Don't toss them, unify them. Purchase just 1 or 2 cans of matte spray paint in a high-end color, deep forest green, velvety navy, or aged copper. Spray every single ornament with this single color. By removing the visual clutter of mixed colors, you instantly create a unified, cohesive, and curated collection that appears to have come directly from a high-end boutique. Utilize inexpensive textiles, layers of luxury. Achieving a cozy holiday feel is all about layers, and you don't need expensive cashmere. Head to the remnants section of your local fabric store. Look for bolts of simple red cotton, affordable plaid flannel, or even textured burlap. Use this fabric, without sewing, to instantly wrap cushions or drape over the backs of chairs. You achieve that deep, necessary texture and color saturation required for the holidays, paying only for the material itself, not the brand. Six, homemade paper and salt dough decorations, the personal touch. Bring the true spirit of giving and personal touch back into your home through simple crafts. A morning spent making paper snowflakes, simple star cutouts, or creating salt dough ornaments is an investment in memory. Once baked and cooled, these affordable shapes are painted and adorned, resulting in pieces that possess immeasurable sentimental value. Every rough edge and imperfect paint stroke tells a story of family time and love. Seven, strategic lighting with fairy lights, the master of ambience. If you can only spend a minimal amount, let it be on bulk fairy lights. They are the single most powerful tool for elevating ambience. The secret is strategic placement. Don't limit them to the tree. Weave them through a wreath hanging over a mirror, drape them across the top of bookshelves, or coil them tightly inside baskets. This method creates multiple, soft light sources that generate a magical, multi-layered glow, the true definition of holiday hygge. Eight, the Christmas card gallery wall, free wall art. Stop hiding those beautiful holiday cards in a basket. Turn them into temporary, free, and ever-evolving wall art. Simply hang a piece of twine or ribbon taut across a doorway or a neutral wall space, and use small clothespins to clip the incoming cards to the line. This creates a charming, colorful display that is personal, dynamic, and serves as a lovely reminder of all the connections in your life. Use food as decor, edible elegance. let your pantry provide both treats and decorations. Embrace the beautiful, classic, and incredibly affordable tradition of stringing popcorn and cranberries into garlands that offer lovely texture and a burst of color. Or, for a quick centerpiece, arrange bright red candy canes vertically in a clear, geometric vase. It's a temporary hack that provides vibrant, festive aesthetics without the financial commitment of permanent objects. Shop your own home first, the art of repurposing. Our final, most crucial instruction: pause the spending. Before you even browse an online store, conduct a thorough, honest audit of your storage. Can that plain red throw blanket be styled into a Santa-worthy drape? Can a stack of vintage books be wrapped in brown paper and tied with a velvet bow to become an elegant centerpiece? Learning to repurpose and restyle what you already possess is the ultimate act of budget-friendly brilliance. It ensures your decor is both personal and financially savvy. So, we conclude our masterclass with this renewed vision. This holiday season, commit to letting your creativity and your ingenious spirit be the engine of your decorating, not your wallet. By embracing these accessible hacks, from utilizing the generous gifts of nature to transforming the items you already own, you hold all the power to create extraordinary beauty. Your home will not only be warm and inviting but will tell a richer story, a story of resourcefulness, love, and personal effort. The philosophy of budget-friendly brilliance proves, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that the most authentic, memorable, and stunning holiday decor pieces are those created with heart, not purchased with debt. Go forth, create your magnificent, stress-free magic, and enjoy the true joy of the season.